guys, I'm Brielle and today we're doing a Sunies Face Fluffmatte review. There's my kitty. This is actually the paper bag that comes with it when you buy it from the store itself. My boyfriend actually bought for me, so he stood in line and waited for his turn to be able to buy these. Which is cute, yeah, because he's my boyfriend.
Next, go give it to you.
This is not the first impression. I did play around with it probably 2 weeks now. So I actually know what works and what doesn't work for this product. It does claim to be a multi-purpose product as well. So we're gonna put it on my lids, my cheeks, and my lips. If you guys want to see the review on that, just keep on watching. From the packaging itself, well, if you can see, Sunies Face and then a liner. The ingredients are here. It also says that it's cruelty-free and paraben-free. And I like how the shades are on top. The colors of the packages also differ from the shades. You can see very well which shade you want to go for. For the tube itself, it's just simple, it's sleek. Sunies Face is on top and the shade is at the bottom. If you open it like that, you get as much as this one. Well, I've used this for probably 3 times or 4. My base makeup is done. I put concealer, my eyebrows are done, and I put lip balm. So let's start with the shade Milkshake on my eyelids. So I'll just put it on the back of my hand here to warm it up. Okay, I'll get the product here and I'll put it on my eyelids. As you can see, I think because it's a powder finish, if you warm it up here on your hand, it will actually just stay here, I guess. So let's try on my other eyelids to dab it. From the tube itself, let's try putting it here. Okay, so more pigment is showing, obviously. Let's just blend it out so it doesn't look harsh. Okay, so far when it's blended out, it actually looks the same, but this is less hassle than putting it here. And I guess more product is placed. Let's just dab it here. Let's put a lot. Like a very neutral eye look. Good for everyday, good for like office, or even for an everyday look if you're going to school. So the finish is very powdery. I don't think it transfers. It doesn't transfer naman. My eyelids are done. Let's just give it a little bit more help. I would put my bronzer. I'm using the Hoola Benefit bronzer. Put it at the edge of my eyelids to give it more depth. So I'll just tap it here. I'll put it on my crease to define my crease more. Here on my lower lash line. And this is their first product in the Sunies Face. And I've heard that they're coming out with an eyebrow pencil. So I'm waiting for that. I'm going to put a brown eyeliner. This is from Makeup Forever. So I'll just lightly line my lash line very, very tightly. Same goes for the other eye. So after tight lining it, I would put a little wing. Just a little to make my eyes look longer than it is and bigger, I guess. Here, just at the edge. So we're using a brown eyeliner so that it doesn't look harsh. It's a little bit more natural than using a black eyeliner. Next, we're using Milkshake again, but this time for the cheeks. Here, let's try this amount. It feels like powder. It's not creamy at all. Okay, for the other side. So off the bat, it's weird. Well, for the cheeks, it's actually less pigmented. Like if you start blending it, you don't see it anymore. I don't see it.
Where they at though?
I don't see it happening for my cheeks. Lastly, we're using the bestseller shade, which is Nudist. So we're trying that for my lips. So this is Nudist on my lips. Okay, so first let's start with the things I like about Sunies Face. The packaging, very sleek, very simple yet very millennial. That's what I'm gonna say. The branding, the way it launched as well. A lot of people really got hyped for their launch. I applaud that. Besides that, I love that it's paraben cruelty free. So some things that I have issues with. I've been hearing also that their branding is very much like Glossier. Like if you do compare their stores with Glossier stores and their website and Instagram, it's very alike. I do have to point that out. Also, the finish, yes, it's very buttery, very weightless. The price is very affordable as well. If you don't have a collection of lip products, I guess this will be a good starting product for you. But if you do collect lippies, the shade range they came out with is very common. I've also watched reviews of other YouTubers reviewing Sunies Face for the first time, first impression, so I get why the reviews are very good. If you do get time to play around with it like I did, for example, if you don't put lip balm, it dries your lips. Even though it's one swipe, yes, but you're gonna have to apply every couple of hours, especially when it doesn't fade well. I'll show you a video here of me when I saw how it faded. Like, it gives you a very harsh line for the inner corners of your lips. And I guess if you're going to be out the whole day, you wouldn't want to think about your lips looking like that for the whole day, staying power. I don't think so. But they didn't say it's long lasting. I'm just pointing that out, that it's not long lasting. So overall, I give this product, I guess a 50-50. I'm excited for their future products and I want to try it out. And I'm sure they're going to tweak the formula a bit so that it stays on your lips better. For a blush product, I don't think it's gonna work. For the eyelids, I think it will if absolutely don't have anything to use. I'm pretty sure it won't crease. It works more on the eyes than on the cheeks. So if you did like this video, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe, you know the drill, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys!
And look up slowly. Yes. Wink. Ching. Yeah, so pretty naman, girlfriend ko yan. Oh. Smile.